just bought your Clearlight Sauna, you added the third full spectrum heater, and you don't know how to set it up. Let's go over that. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. But before you jump into this video, I want you to jump over and watch the Clearlight tour video that we have. It's actually in our playlist called Sauna Series. So if you go to our channel, find that playlist, and it's going to have all sorts of videos that we're posting regarding this sauna. This is a Clearlight 2 Sanctuary sauna. Definitely check that out. We do have questions that come up from time to time. People will ask about the sauna. They'll ask about different components of it. One of the questions we actually get quite a bit is, how do I activate the third full spectrum heater? So basically, people will plug it in, it doesn't come on. The same thing happened to me, and there's actually some keypad tricks. So you could contact Clearlight, or I'm gonna show you here in the video. So let's jump right in. Okay, so I will tell you, when we first got the sauna and we had the third full spectrum heater, I didn't even know where to plug it in at. And I'm going, where does this thing go? So actually down there where the plug-in is, you'll notice when you get your sauna, is there's actually a cap over that plug-in. So you're gonna need to remove that cap, and then it's gonna show the plug-in, of course, and that's where you're gonna plug in that third full spectrum heater. Now, there is other accessories that Clearlight sells. They have red light therapy and a slew of other things that you can actually plug into that. I don't know for sure if the keystrokes are the same for the red light therapy. They might be. If they are, more power to you, because you've got the keystrokes here for the third full spectrum heater. So inside the sauna here, we have the keypad here that Clearlight uses, and it's pretty awesome, pretty self-explanatory keypad. But when you turn on your sauna for the first time and you've got your heater set up or whatever else you're plugging into that third plug-in, you're gonna click on it and you're gonna go, what the heck, it's not working, or it's not coming on. And that's what happened to me. Clearlight actually includes a piece of paper in their delivery. I couldn't find that piece of paper.
Today I lost more than you can know.
Know it's in there, but so I figured, well, you know what, people have asked about it. I'll kind of go through the keystrokes of how we got it set up here. All right, so you're inside your sauna, you found your keypad here. It's a very simple keypad, easy to use, and you've plugged in your full spectrum heater. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn on your sauna, and then from there, you're gonna flip it over to Celsius, and it might be on Celsius when you originally turn it on. We're down to 60 degrees Celsius, and then once you got that, then you're gonna hold down the auxiliary button for 5 seconds. And then what you'll notice is that third full spectrum heater will pop on like magic. So hopefully this helps. It's kind of the keypad strokes that you need to use. But it's pretty easy process. Just make sure you do it in that order. Recap, if you wanna learn more about this sauna, we have the Sanctuary 2. Clearlight's got all sorts of different saunas. Jump over to the tour of this sauna because we've got a lot of information on the sauna. It's actually one of the most popular videos that we have on our channel. But if you're looking for a far infrared sauna, and maybe you like this one or you want more information on it, definitely reach out to Julie Bishop. She has been great. She's been a lot of help for our viewers. I'm actually gonna put her contact information in this video, and also a link down in the bottom as well. So you'll have her email address, you'll have her website, phone number, everything. Go over the different models of saunas with her as well, because you know this is a two-person one, but there might be a different one that she can offer you that'll help out as well. But thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Like I mentioned earlier, I highly recommend you jump over and watch the Sauna Series playlist, because that's actually got some other videos in there that might appeal to you, including one video is on why we went with the far infrared sauna as opposed to going the traditional route. That is a question we get a lot as well. If the video was helpful for you, be sure to give us a like on it. We appreciate that. Also subscribe to our channel, because we're always going to be putting out content on saunas, and we actually cover a lot of other things too that doesn't have to do with saunas. It's a travel channel as well, so we actually have some reviews on different places we traveled to. We like to read the comments. Sometimes people got really good questions for us in there, including why we did this video on how to set up the third full spectrum heater. So again, thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate it.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace.